Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys the best way to promote CBD offers with Instagram affiliate marketing. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started here today. Again, my name is Dean with Team Debaru, and we're going to be talking about the best way to promote affiliate products like CBD products on Instagram with their free traffic. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this. So you might be wondering, why don't we just use paid advertising for these CBD products? Well, typically because a lot of the paid advertisers still aren't okay with CBD products just because it is from cannabis and they don't want that promoted on their networks. Even with like push traffic and a lot of other places, you do have a hard time getting CBD offers approved. So there aren't really too many paid options that I can think of off the top of my head that besides places like traffic routes. But the problem with them is they do require a $1,000 minimum. So if you're just starting out with CBD offers, it's kind of really steep to start practicing with or getting the hang of with or kind of testing the waters with here. So typically I found some great solutions to be able to promote CBD products through Instagram. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do it successfully and how you guys can take advantage of it too. So let's go ahead and go over to Instagram. So I want to start off the bat by just basically showing some Instagram pages of some CBD companies, and let's see kind of what they're doing to basically promote themselves on Instagram. So let's go ahead and take a look at some top CBD businesses here. So let's see, I think this is one. See some that I know of. So it looks like with CBD companies, they really just promote a lot of their own products. Just a lot of professional photos, really nothing too crazy. Not really showing a ton of plant stuff. You can see one plant photo here, but really just kind of product photos, especially with this one. Another one. Same thing with this company here. So they're just promoting all of their CBD products and kind of like, it looks like athletes that they might sponsor and just really just all their products itself. So that's how they're driving traffic from their Instagram pages to their CBD products. And let's see, looks like this one is the same too. So they just all direct everyone to their websites. And this one's a little different. They're just posting infographics about CBD, basically all the benefits of CBD, all the solutions to your problems. And yeah, so basically the way that I've been able to promote CBD products just like these people have is basically you're going to create a page from scratch around CBD, meaning you're going to want a name related to the niche as well. So I've gone ahead and started that today for us here. This is basically the account. As you can see, it's just got some CBD infographics on it, kind of basically saying, hey, CBD can help with depression, anxiety, stress, things like that. And then basically what I have done to be able to promote CBD offers with Instagram is just start growing these accounts and reaching out to other people who like CBD or who have posted about CBD, and that in return we'll be able to go to my link down here, which is, that one's still not working. So basically I'll show you guys what I did. So basically what happened is you can put a link down here to go to your CBD offer. That way you can start driving all the traffic that you're getting from your Instagram pages over to the CBD offers that you're finding on Max Bounty or Smart Advertising or Click Dealer or wherever. There's actually quite a few networks now that are starting to doing a lot more CBD products because CBD is actually a booming industry. A lot of people are enjoying the benefits of CBD, so this is a good industry to get into. But basically what you would do is obviously grow your page from scratch like I was showing you guys the other pages earlier. You kind of want to do the same thing. You just want to post a lot of CBD products, a lot of CBD infographics, a lot of benefits by using CBD, and then basically start liking, following, commenting on a bunch of photos that have CBD hashtags. So it may be something that says CBD health or hashtag CBD, hashtag CBD oil. All of these hashtags are great hashtags to be able to find what's going on in the industry. So if you see here that I clicked on CBD, there's 7 million posts in CBD. These are all the top ones. All these people are interested in CBD products and the benefits of CBD. So you can come in here, you could like all these photos, like you see here, and comment on them, different things like that. Same one here, same here. All these people are enjoying CBD, so if you start commenting and liking them and building a relationship with these people, they'll get interested in maybe some of your CBD products or the things that you have to say, and they'll be taking a look at your page, the one that you're building, and they'll be like, hey, what is this right here? Let me take a look and see what is in their bio. And obviously if you have something like looking for a CBD sample or trial, just cover shipping, things like that, just depending on what the CBD offer is. So for example, what I have done here today is I've gone ahead and created a ClickFunnels funnel, and you can find the funnel itself inside the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. You can find a two-step question, 3-question funnel within there for ClickFunnels, a template already pre-built for you that you can kind of set up and customize, like I have here today, where I added my own CBD picture here, as well as I added a CBD background in the back here, as you can see. So what will happen is I'll have someone go to this landing page here that is connected with this link down here through my bio, and once they go through the bio, through my lander, they will actually end up on the offer itself. So the offer itself that I'm going to get set up here today with you guys is going to be a CBD skin offer that I found on Max Bounty. So it looks like it pays $88 per lead, so $88 per sale. It's allowed on social and all these other things, just not incentive. So what we're going to do here together is we're going to go ahead and build out the rest of the funnel together and actually connect it to the Instagram page, and then I'll show you guys again a little brief rundown of how to actually get traffic from Instagram to your actual pages. So the first thing we're going to want to do to connect this Max Bounty offer to our Instagram is we're going to need to get a tracking link from Max Bounty. So as you can see here, I just clicked build tracking link, then I chose social, then I chose raw, and I'm going to hit copy. And then if I go to the ClickFunnels landing page, again, the way that I made this here today, I used the funnel, which is just basically the quiz down here that you see. All I did was add a photo by adding this by clicking up here where the photo goes and adding my own CBD photos that I found online, actually on Google. So that's how I put that in there. The image back here, the plants back here, again, is just an image that I found on Google. You just go into settings, you go to background, and you're able to upload that right in here as well. So I've already got these put in here. The only other thing that I need to do is actually make sure that when someone goes through this ClickFunnels landing page, that it will redirect them to where I want them to go. So what I want to do is change the outcomes. I want to change the default outcome. And I'm going to put this in here. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. Alright, so now that's all good to go. The only other thing that we need to do now is make sure that the copy is set up. So I think I did this one already. So basically this is for CBD skin. Looks like they have a couple different landing pages here, like a news article, just like an offer page, and this here. So I think actually I will change to one of these because I've never ran these ones before and I'm interested in how they do. So I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to put that other one in. All right. And I'm going to save it. And that's good to go. Now I just need to change this because it isn't free. So let's see what we can say about it. So I chose this one, Fox News. And looks like it just has some social proof. So it's actually a really nice landing page, as you see here. So yeah, I think we'll use this one. And let's see, I did see something that I liked for a copy. Skin Science CBD has been proven to turn back the clock on your skin. So I think we'll just put that. So turn back the time, is that what it said? Turn back the clock on your skin. And then I'll just get rid of this, I think, if I can click on it. And let's see. So you do something like that to kind of make it stand out more. And that's that. So once you have the actual funnel set up here, the only other thing that we would need to do now is go back and we need to take this ClickFunnels link. Oh, did that even take it? Let me see. All right. And now we need to shorten it with bit.ly. I use bit.ly so that way we don't get rid of this super long URL and we get this nice one here. And then all you have to do now is add it to your actual profile. So we'll hit edit profile and we'll go ahead and post it in and it's all set. Oops. So you'll hit submit down here and it'll go ahead and save. I have the right URL in here already, as you can see, so it doesn't let me update it. But basically what would happen at this point is we would start to grow this account, and as the account grows, the more and more clicks that you're going to get on the link in your bio, and that's going to start sending more and more traffic over to that CBD offer that we have from Max Bounty. Of course, it's going to go through the funnel first with ClickFunnels. What that's going to do is that's going to pre-warm the traffic, making sure that you're sending quality traffic over to Max Bounty. And with that being said, as your account grows, like I said, you'll be able to get more and more clicks over there. You'll be able to get more and more conversions, and you'll be able to start making money by promoting CBD offers online with Instagram. So one way, again, to basically grow the account, just so you guys know, is to find relative hashtags around the niche that you're working with. So for example, with CBD, we would be looking at hashtags like CBD, CBD oil, hemp oil. We could take a look at hemp. We could take a look at cannabidiol, which is basically CBD spelled out. We could take a look at CBD skincare, CBD for pets. There's all types of things that we could associate with CBD. And we could start liking all those photos. We could start commenting on those photos. And we could start following all those people who in return are going to look at our profiles and at the stuff that we're promoting. So as long as we're promoting quality, engaging content around CBD and the benefits of CBD, the CBD products, the things that I was showing you guys earlier when we first started this video, you'll be able to make some income online.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.